Jamaican veteran broadcaster Francois has passed away. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Veteran broadcaster and media personality Francois has passed away. Francois passed away at the University Hospital on Monday morning. He was reportedly ailing for some time. Francois previously served as general manager for the RJR division of Radio Jamaica. Up to the time of his passing, he worked at Radio Jamaica as a co-host with Paula and Porter Jones on the morning program Sunny Side Up. In its breaking news update during the show, Radio Jamaica said that Francois was battling an illness and passed away at the University Hospital of the West Indies. Paula and Porter Jones, who is on duty now, said that we have just had the floor sweep out from under us. We ask for your understanding as we figure out how to move forward. Francois had more than 20 years experience working on morning radio. He was a popular host on the sister station, Fame FM. He is a former general manager for radio services in the media group. Porter Jones and Francois began hosting Sunnyside Up on April 10, 2017. Links 070 will have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.